Now let's start with example 25. Example 25 is Myra has a total of rupees 1040. Myra has total amount as rupees 1040 as currency notes. Now there are notes. In last module what we had coins. Now we have notes. In the denomination of rupees 10, rupees 20 and rupees 50. It means there are three type of notes. There are three type of notes. First is rupees 10, second is rupees 20 and third is rupees 50. Now the ratio of the number of rupees 10 notes and rupees 20 notes is 2:5. The ratio is given only for two types, that is rupees 10 and rupees 20, and this ratio is given to be 2:5. Now if she has a total of 30 notes, there are three types of notes: 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, and the total notes that she has is 30. Okay, how many notes of each denomination she has? Okay, it is a long question, I know, but it will be very easy. We will break this question in parts. How? First of all, our first step is, what do you have to find? You have to find how many notes of each denomination. Denomination means value. So how many notes of each value she has? And you know from this statement how many types are there? Three types of notes: 10, 20 and 50. Now see the question again. It says that ratio of number of rupees 10 notes and 20 notes is 2:5. And I told you earlier, then when there is a line for ratio, what will you do? You will first let the common ratio as x. You will first assume let the common ratio is equal to x. Very good. Now rupees 10 notes will be the number of rupees 10 notes will be, the ratio is 2:5. So you will multiply this x with 2. So number of rupees 10 notes will be 2x and number of rupees 20 notes is equal to, the ratio for rupees 20 notes is equal to 5. So it will be 5x. Okay. So now you have the notes of rupees 10 as 2x, the notes of rupees 20, that is 5x. Now see, but there were three types of notes: 20, 10 and 50, and you have found only 20 and 10. Now what about rupees 50 notes? How will you find? The statement says that if she has a total of 30 notes, what does this line means? She has notes as 30. The total notes she has is 30. It means I can find my rupees 50 notes. How? How I will find number of rupees 50 notes will be, what will you do? You will take the first, how many notes are there in total? How many notes are there in total? 30. Okay. Now you will subtract these two number of notes from this total notes. So 30 minus 2x plus 5x. Very good. 2x plus 5x, because there were three types of notes: 10, 20 and 50. You know the number of rupees 10 notes. You know the number of rupees 20 notes, and you know how many notes are there in total, 30. So you can easily find the number of rupees 50 notes. So it will give you 30 minus, this will add it, 2x plus 5x. It will give you 30 minus 7x. So this is the number of rupees 50 notes. Okay. So now you have done with number of 10 notes, number of 20 rupees notes, and number of 50 rupees notes. Now come to the question again. It says that Myra has a total of rupees 1040 as currency notes. Okay, but now see that here it is only number of notes. It is not the amount. It is just a number of notes. But you have to find the amount. How will you find? See, if I have two notes of rupees 10, I have two notes of rupees 10, then the total amount I will have, 20. How? I will multiply 2 with 10. Same rule applies here. The total amount in the form of rupees 10 notes. The total amount in the form of rupees 10 notes will be, the number of notes are 2x will be multiplied by 10. Very good. And it will give you 20x. Okay. Same. Total amount in the form of rupees 20 notes. It is equal to 20 multiplied by how many notes of rupees 20?
5x.
Very good. So it will give you 20 multiply 5 is 100x. Okay. Now total amount I am writing here. Total amount in the form of rupees 50 notes. It will be, first of all, you will multiply 50 with how many notes are there that cost rupees 50. How many notes? 30 minus 7x. So you will multiply 50 with 30 minus 7x. And it will give you 50 multiply 30. It will give you 1500. Plus minus is minus, and 50 multiply 7x. It will give you 350x. Don't take it complicated, students. It will be very easy. First of all, let's understand from the starting. I have taken the common ratio as x. I have taken the number of rupees 10 notes as 2x because ratio is 2:5 and rupees 20 notes are 5x. Now, I know the total notes, that is 30. So, I will subtract these 2x plus 5x from 30 and it will give you my third type of note, that is rupee 50 notes. Now, these are just number of notes, but I have some money, and for amount of money, what will I do? I will find the amount. If my notes of rupees 10 are 2x, then the total amount will be 2x multiplied by 10. Same, if I have notes of rupees 20 as 5x, so my total amount in the form of rupees 20 notes will be 20 multiplied 5x, and same for the rupees 50 note. So these are the things that I have done. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm just rubbing this part. Now see, Myra has a total of rupees 140. It means total amount that Myra has is 1040 rupees, and she has this amount in the form of three types of note: 10, 20 and 50. Now come to the amount. rupees 10 notes, the amount of rupees 10 notes is 20x. Right here. Plus amount in the form of rupee 20 notes is equal to 100x. Very good. Plus amount in the form of rupee 50 notes is equal to 1500 minus 350x. And this is equal to 1040. Why? Because this is my total amount that Myra has. Okay. Now, this is a linear equation. How will you solve this? You will first see 100 plus 20. 120x minus 350x. So, 350 minus 120. It will give you minus 230x. Why? Because 350 is larger than 120. Now come to the constants part. It is equal to 1040 minus. Now this 1500 will come to that side with minus sign. So it will give you minus 230x is equal to, now it will give you 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 4. Okay. Now with minus sign. Why? Because 1500 is larger than 1040. Minus and minus cancel. And it will give you finally the value of x. X is equal to 460. That is divided by 230. Okay. Cancel. It will give you 2. So this is your value of x only. This is your value of x only. Now you will put the value of x to find each type of notes. How many notes of each type? This is the line that you have to find. Okay. So, number of notes of rupees 10 was 2x because the ratio is given to be 2:5. So, number of notes of rupees 10 is equal to 2x. 2 multiply x is 2. 2 2s are 4. Number of notes of rupees 20, it was 5x. So 5 multiply x is 2. 5 2s are 10. Very good. Now number of notes of rupees 50, it was 30 minus 7x. And put the value 30 minus 7x is 2. 7 2s are 14. It will give you 10 minus 4 is 6. 16. Okay. So, these are the answers. Number of notes of rupees 10 is 4. Number of notes of rupees 20 is equal to 10. And number of notes of rupee 50 is equal to 16. Now, you can verify your solution. How will you verify? See, you have 4 notes of rupees 10. It means the total amount will be, if you have 4 notes and 1 note is rupees 10, then the 4 notes will be 40 rupees. 40 plus, if you have notes of rupees 10 as 10 notes of rupees 20, the total amount will be 10 multiply 20. It will give you 200 plus number of notes of rupees 50 is equal to 16. So 16 multiply 50 will be the amount. 16 multiply 50. Okay. Now add them. 40 plus 200. That will give you 240. Plus 16 multiply 50. It will give you 800. And finally, it will give you 1040. And this is the total amount that Myra has as currency notes in the denomination of these types of notes. So, this was your solution.